Second
to the men
pastor.
now. Gentlemen, love your wife and make use of her. Because after you're dead, whose wife shall that be? Ladies, love your man.
Yes.
Caress your man. Because even when you're not dead,
Hurry up and put the offering in the bag so I can buy my bema.
Excuse me, Pastor, what
Oh,
what
no,
do you say?
no. Hurry up and put the offering in the bag so Jesus
Oh.
Christ can cleanse the sinners. Yes.
Oh, okay, all right, yes.
Miss Margaret. You see, I want to take home and give some private lessons, some scripture, you see.
What?
No.
What?
I go home and have a beautiful Sunday dinner. See you next service.
All right, Pastor, all right.
Anyway, I think one of the porter take me up. Like there was the